Okay, welcome guys. Before we proceed, like, comment and share this video, okay, so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay. If you like what we are doing, give us thumbs up, okay. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay. Support us guys so that you will grow, okay. Okay, mount your camera on the tripod, use portrait mode, okay. This place we are recording 2 videos but in one clip, all right. Wear your face clothes, look at this iron, pass by it, all right. After you pass by now, you will go and change to something else, change your clothes to another clothes, all right. Do this in one recording, not after recording this you cut and go and record another one. It should be in one recording. The 2 records should be in one recording. You go and change your clothes and still pass the same way, all right. After that, you feel shocked, you feel you are surprised. What happened? You are surprised, you know, as if sudden clothes just come from nowhere. After that, you can now walk out, all right. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video, go and look for volume. Then you click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. So at this point now, you click on the video and expand it a bit if you like. Then after that, you can now locate where you want the video to start from. Mark on the video and make a split here, all right. Click on it, make a split, delete this first part, we don't need it again. So at this point, immediately click and make a split. Then you go and locate the second character. Now locate the second character, all right. Come back, immediately you get to the iron, you click and make a split, all right. Click and make a split. Now click and make a split, delete this center part, we don't need it again, all right. Click on this one, go and look for overlay. Locate overlay guys, locate overlay, click on overlay, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video, okay. So after this now, click on the video, you want to go and look for mask, guys. Locate mask, okay. Click on mask, click on horizontal, turn it the other way around, turn this line, turn it now. Then you put it at the point of this iron, okay. After that, you mark on this good now and go back, all right. Mark on the good and go back now. Then you click on the second layer and adjust it back a little bit. So look at what we are going to be doing. Immediately this first character gets to this iron and you see that the leg, you adjust this one. Let's see the result of the video now. Good, this is good. So at this point, we have achieved our aim. You have gotten what you want. So this video is ready now. You want to mark out the unwanted part, click this one, come and mark the second layer, make a split, delete the last part, we don't need it again. So at this point now, your video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and the other effects as the case may be. And after that, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery, okay? So we are going to be exporting this video now. So you click on export and you export this video. So click here, increase your resolution, then you click on export now, export your video to your gallery, okay. Now the video is exporting, just exercise patient. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.